Go to Plugins, Add New. Here we'll be using a plugin Really Simple SSL. So you can just type Really Simple SSL or just type SSL. Install and activate this plugin. Once you activate this plugin, click on this option, Install SSL Certificate. Save and continue. Agree to the terms. Check your hosting provider. Here I'm using GoDaddy. Save and continue. Save and continue. Here we are using Let's Encrypt Free SSL Certificate. Again, save and continue. You'll get these three values: certificate, private key, and authority bundle. Go to your hosting. Now you'll have to go to your CPanel. If your hosting is on GoDaddy, go to your products and access your web hosting. Here I have my web hosting, Starter Linux. Click on Manage. You have to access CPanel admin. Click on CPanel admin. Now you are at the back end of the website where you have all the files. Scroll down, find SSL TLS. Click on Manage SSL Sites. Select a domain, the domain which you are using. Now here you have to fill in all these. Copy the content, fill it here. Copy the private key. And last is your authority bundle. Install certificate. Here you will see the SSL is done. Click on OK. Go back, save and continue. Wait for a few minutes. Here we are done uploading, and if you see here, you can see this lock. You can close this CPanel and GoDaddy, your hosting. Wait for a moment, maybe a minute or two, and retry. If you see now, the status is SSL has been detected. Go ahead and activate SSL. And we are done. Go to dashboard. And now you can see this log button here. Browse your website. And you'll see this log button. So we are done. We have secured our site. It's HTTPS now.